Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beanie. It was inspired by a South African flag, but you can make a Rastafarian version of it or just any colors that you're interested in. But the one I'm going to show you is for the South African flag. Okay, so these are the colors you're going to need. You're going to need red, white, green, yellow, black, and royal blue. I'm going to arrange the colors in this order. Okay, red, white, just the way you see it here. Red, white, green, yellow, black, yellow, green, white, and blue. Okay, so the numbers that I've put here are the numbers that you're going to allocate to each color. Okay, you're going to start with the total chains of 48. For the blue, you're going to allocate 20 chains. The whites and the yellows, you're going to allocate one chain in each. The green, black, and the other green, you're going to allocate 4 chains in each. Okay, and the red, you're going to do 12. So in total, you'll have 48 chains. This is the right side. Okay, and this is how it looks like on the wrong side. So you can choose your right side because both sides looks great. Okay, this is the wrong side for me. As you can see, it looks good. You can decide this part to be your right side and the other side to be the wrong side. Okay, you're going to make an adult version for this. Head circumference of 21 inches. Okay, so for the materials, you're going to need a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, a darning needle, a pair of scissors, and your tape measure to measure the circumference of your head and also to measure if the beanie is enough. Okay, and you're also going to need yarn. So for the yarn, you're going to use a lightweight yarn or a fingering yarn. So you're going to double the strand because it's too thin. Okay, or you can use any other medium weight yarn. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to begin from the top, so we're going to start with the red color. So let's begin. We're going to start by making a knot. That way. Now you're going to make 12 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now you're going to change the color to white. Just go ahead and pick your white color and make your 1 chain. Okay, that way. Now let's go to green. Pick your green color and you're going to chain 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we go to the yellow color. You're going to attach it and you're going to chain 1. Okay, now let's go to black. Take your black color, attach it, and you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now let's go to the another yellow. So you're going to use a different yarn from this one. Okay, so just pick another yellow and you're going to continue. You're going to chain 1. Okay, now let's go to green. So also for the green, you're going to pick another color. Don't use this one. So take your other green color and you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now you're going to take white. So pick another white from this one and just go ahead and attach it, and you're going to chain 1. Now let's go to the last color, the blue color. Okay, so just go ahead and attach it and you're going to make 20 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so this is what we have right now. It looks a little complicated, but you're going to see how it looks like as we continue. Okay, so this is the base, our base chains. Now let's go to row number 1. We're just going to continue. You're going to add one more chain. Now you're going to make one single crochet in each chain until the end of the row, but you're going to switch color yarns as we continue. Okay, I'm almost at the end of my blue color. Insert the last one on this chain. Okay, so just do your single crochet but don't finish it. Okay, so you're going to leave this blue color here and you're going to pick the white one. Okay, don't tighten your chain so much, your white chain so much. So go ahead and finish your single crochet, and now you're going to place one single crochet of the white color. Okay, so just go ahead and insert your hook into that point, pull up a loop, but don't finish that single crochet. Okay, you're going to leave it that way and you're going to pick the green color. Okay, now you're going to finish your single crochet with the green color that way. Now you're going to go ahead into the green color. You're going to place your single crochet into the first chain here, this one. You're going to make a single crochet, go ahead to the next. So you're going to make 4 single crochets for the green. Don't finish the last one. Okay, leave your yarn and go ahead and pick the yellow color, and you're going to finish your single crochet with it. And now let's go to the yellow stitch. You're going to make your single crochet on the yellow chain, but don't finish the stitch. You're going to leave your yellow yarn and go ahead and pick the black color. Okay, so you're going to finish your single crochet, and now you're going to work on the black stitches. So you're going to make 4 black single crochets. Okay, 2, 3 and 4. As always, you're not going to finish the last stitch. You're going to pick the next color, which is yellow. You're going to finish your stitch with it. Remember not to tighten your stitches so much, because if you tighten them, you'll not find the chain to insert your hook. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and you're going to go into the next chain and place your single crochet. You're going to repeat what I've been doing here until the end of the row. Okay, so continue that way up to the last 5 chains of the red color, then I'll show you what to do with those. I have left with 5 red chains. So for the last chains, you're going to do slip stitches only. Okay, so you're going to do 5 slip stitches on this end. So let's do that. You're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, and you're going to pull all through. Okay, go to the next one, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and just pull it right through. Okay, so those are the slip stitches. And we are done with the first row. So our work at first looks a bit crooked, but as we continue, it's going to clear out. Okay, so this is how our first row looks like. Now let's go to the second row. You're just going to chain 1, turn your work, Now you're going to do slip stitches into the first 5 chains, okay, and you're going to work only on back loops. So the whole project actually is done with back loops only. So let's continue. You're going to make go ahead and make your 5 slip stitches, back loops only. Okay, after that go ahead and do the single crochets in the next stitches, back loops only. Now I'm on the last red stitch. I'm going to do it halfway and finish it with the white color. So I'm going to leave the red color behind and pick the white, and you're going to finish your stitch with it. Now let's go to the white color. You're going to do your single crochet, but don't finish the stitch. Leave the white behind and pick up the green. You're going to finish the stitch with the green color, and now you're going to work on the green stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one you're going to finish with the yellow color. Okay, so just finish it that way, and you're going to work on the yellow stitch, back loops only, that way. Don't finish it, leave it behind, and you're going to pick the black color. Okay, and you're going to finish your stitch with it, and you're going to make 4 single crochets with the black color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth one, remember, you're going to finish with the next color, which is yellow. You're going to do 1, don't finish it, pick up the green. You're going to continue with the green color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't finish it, pick up the white one, finish your stitch with it, and you're going to work on the green, on the white, I mean, that way. Leave it behind and pick up the blue. Okay, now you're going to continue with the blue until the end of the row. So remember, you are only working on the back loops only, single crochets. Okay, the slip stitches are placed only at one end where we have the red color. Okay, but on the blue one, just do the single crochets till the end of the row. And this is what we have now. It's starting to clear out. It will look neater as we continue. Okay, so now let's go to row number 3, and then I'll leave you to continue until the size that you want. Okay, so let's just do the last row with you guys, then we'll continue. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch. So place 1 single crochet, and when you get to the last 5 stitches, you're going to do slip stitches. Okay, when you get to the end of one color, you're going to leave this behind. And when I say behind, I mean the part where you left all these other colors. Okay, so just leave it behind, and you're going to pick the next color, which is white, and you're going to finish your stitch with it. Now you're going to work on the white color, so remember to work on the back loops only. That way you're going to leave the white behind and pick up the next color, which is green, and finish your white stitch with it. And now you're going to work on the green color, 4 stitches, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth one you're going to finish with the next color, which is yellow, and you continue that way until the last 5 stitches. where you are going to do your slip stitches, and then I'll meet you at the end of the row. I've just finished the third row, so this is how it looks like on the wrong side, and on the right side this is how our work looks like. Okay, so you can see it's neater on the right side, but you can choose any side. Okay, when you are done, I'll show you how the wrong side looks like. You can choose the wrong side because it looks neat as well. So this is what we have. So from here henceforth, you're going to continue repeating the same thing as you did on this second and third row. Okay, until you have the size that you want. So I'm going to do 21 inches, and then I'll meet you at the end. So I'll show you how to connect the two ends together, and then you're going to finish together. Okay, so continue that way and I'll meet you at the end. I've done 68 rows in total. So this is how it looks like on the front side. Okay, and on the wrong side, this is how it looks like. It looks neat on the wrong side as well. That's why I was telling you, you can choose the wrong side to be your right side, or you can just use this side. Okay, so mine, I'm going to use this side for my right side and this side for the wrong side. Okay, so I wanted it to measure 21 inches. So let's measure it. So without stretching it, it measures 15 inches, 15 and a half inches. But when you stretch it, it can stretch up to 20, 21, 22, even 23. Okay, so this is enough for me. Now we are going to join the two ends together. So you are going to join it on the wrong side. Okay, so mine, I'm going to hold it this way because I want this side to be the wrong side. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and you're going to continue with the color that we just left because we had finished on the blue color. So you're going to chain one, and you're going to hold the two together this way. Okay, now you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch on this side. Insert your hook on the first stitch, that one, and go ahead and insert your hook on the back loop of the first stitch on the other side. And you're going to pull up a loop and do a slip stitch, so pull through. Okay, now let's go to the next, this one, and go ahead into the next stitch on the other side. So you're going to do the back loops on the other side. Okay, and do a slip stitch. Okay, so that is how you're going to join this. Go to the next stitch and back loop on the other one and do a slip stitch. I'm on the last stitch for the blue color, so I'm going to join it, do the slip stitch, chain one, and you're going to cut. So we are done with the blue color. Okay, now let's go to white. So just take the white color from behind and insert your hook into the white stitch and into the back loop of the other side. Pull up a loop and chain one and cut off. Okay, now let's go to the next color, which is green. So pick up the green color. You're going to insert your hook into the first stitch here, this one, and the back loop of the other side. And you're going to pull up a loop that way. Now let's go to the next stitch, insert your hook and the other side back loop, pull up a loop and do a slip stitch. Okay, go to the next one, and the other side, back loop, make a slip stitch. Now to the last one, the other side, a slip stitch, chain one, and cut your yarn. The next one is yellow, so you're going to insert your hook into the yellow stitch and the back loop of the other side. You're going to chain one, cut your yarn. Now to the black color, so continue that way until the end of the row. Now then I'll meet you at the end. On the last stitch, so after you have made your last stitch, don't cut the yarn. Now we are going to narrow this part a little more, so let's continue. You're going to continue with the red color and also on the wrong side. Okay, don't turn to the right side. So you're going to chain 2, okay, and you're going to walk on the right side. We are on the wrong side, but we are walking on the right side. Okay, so you're going to insert your hook into these middle points. You're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the first middle point, this one, pull up a loop. Okay, go to the next middle point, pull up a loop, and go to the third middle point, pull up a loop. Okay, so we have 5 loops on our hook. You're going to pull through 4 that way and pull through 2. Okay, now let's continue. Yarn over, go to the next middle point, this one. You're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, go to the next one, and go to the third one that way. So you have 5 loops on your hook. Now you're going to pull through 4 and you're going to pull through 2. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first middle point, go to the next one and the third one. Okay, so we have 5 loops on our hook, pull through 4 and pull through 2. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like on the wrong side. It doesn't have a very big difference. Okay, so continue that way and I'll meet you at the end. Now you're going to join what we've been doing into the first stitch here. Okay, these are the 2 chains that we made. So the first stitch here, this one. Okay, so you're going to do a slip stitch into that. Okay, so you're going to leave a long yarn, leave a long tail, so that you're going to tighten this. So cut a long tail. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, now you're going to use your darning needle. So you're going to insert your darning needle into these spaces. And pull. So insert it all round. Up to the starting point. Okay, and you're going to pull it to tighten it. Now you're going to weave in the loose end. Remember, you're working on the wrong side. I always weave in my loose end randomly. I don't have a pattern for that or a style for that. I just weave in anyhow, as long as it gets lost. Okay, so you're going to cut. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next video, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel, and thank you.